Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty, spicy honey barbecue chicken. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. I have marinated 2 chicken breasts cut into small pieces in some lemon pepper marinade overnight. I'm preheating some vegetable oil about halfway in my pan. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a large Ziploc bag, half a cup at a time. I'm also adding 1 cup of some New Orleans fish fry seasoning. I'm tightly sealing my bag and mixing both ingredients together. Now I'm adding my pre-seasoned chicken to the flour mixture. Once I'm done, I'm going to tightly seal my bag and coat all the pieces of pre-seasoned chicken. I am pre-testing my oil to see if it's ready by adding 1 pinch of flour. Then I'm going to add the pre-coated pieces of chicken to my pot. Once they are golden brown, I'm going to remove them from the heat and place them on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. I'm repeating the same step with the remainder of the coated pieces of chicken. I'm going to let my chicken sit for a few minutes so that all the oil can drain onto the paper towel. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare the sauce by adding some honey sweet barbecue sauce to a Ziploc bag. I'm adding a little bit of heat with a few drops of some Jamaican jerk barbecue Caribbean sauce. Next, I'm sealing my bag tightly. Then I'm going to mix both ingredients together. My fried pieces of chicken are now ready for the next step in my recipe. Now I'm ready to make my spicy honey barbecue chicken. I'm going to add all my chicken into the barbecue sauce mixture. Once I'm done, I'm sealing my bag tightly. Now that my bag is tightly sealed, I'm going to rub and coat each piece of chicken with the barbecue sauce mixture. I'm making sure to evenly spread the sauce onto the chicken. So guys, these are my mouth-watering, tasty, spicy honey barbecue chicken. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And you will have full details of this recipe at www.closkitchen.com. Bye.